Hello guys, welcome to our channel, Mako Engineering Information. We hope you all are doing well, and today's video is gonna be about ChatGPT, application of artificial intelligence in 2023. So let's get right into the video. If you don't subscribe to our channel, please subscribe and share the past videos and new upcoming videos. Let's start. An introduction to ChatGPT. Using ChatGPT, which uses artificial intelligence, computers may mimic human discussions. It creates an interactive and interesting conversational experience with the user using machine learning algorithms and natural language processing (NLP). ChatGPT can be used for customer service, personal assistant applications, automated customer support, and more. By understanding user intent and context, ChatGPT can provide accurate and personalized responses to user inquiries. What is the future role of ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a cutting-edge language generation model that OpenAI is constantly updating and improving. Here are a few ways in which the ChatGPT tool may continue to evolve in the future. 1. Increased accuracy. As more data is collected and the model is fine-tuned on specific tasks, the accuracy and coherence of the generated text are likely to improve. 2. Improved scalability. As the model is optimized for larger-scale language generation tasks, it will be able to handle more complex and larger inputs, making it more versatile. 3. Multilingual support. OpenAI is working on models that support multiple languages. This will make ChatGPT more useful for businesses and individuals looking to communicate with people who speak different languages. 4. Improved speed. With more powerful hardware and optimized algorithms, the model will be able to generate text at a faster rate, making it more useful for real-time applications such as chatbots or dialogue systems. 5. More specific use cases. As the model is fine-tuned on specific tasks and domains, it will become increasingly specialized, making it more useful for specific use cases. 6. Improved interpretability. As the model becomes more complex, interpretability will become increasingly important to ensure that the model behaves as expected and to identify potential biases. 7. Compatibility with other technologies. A more complex and functional application is likely to be developed by combining the model with other technologies, such as computer vision, speech recognition, and other NLP models. 8. Security and privacy. With the increasing use of GPT-based models in various industries, security and privacy will become significant concerns in the future. OpenAI is working on creating models that are more secure and private to protect users' data. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful and versatile tool that will continue to evolve and be applied in new and innovative ways in the future. How does the ChatGPT tool work? ChatGPT is an effective language generation model that may be applied to a range of NLP applications, such as 1. Generating text. ChatGPT may produce text that appears human. This can be used for writing, content creation, and other applications. 2. Dialogue generation. ChatGPT can generate responses in a conversation-like manner, making it useful for building chatbots and virtual assistants. 3. Language translation. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for language translation tasks, which can be useful for chatbot or customer service applications. 4. Text summarization. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for text summarization tasks, which can be useful for news articles, long documents, and other texts. 5. Text classification. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for text classification tasks, which can be useful for sentiment analysis, intent recognition, and other NLP applications. 6. Question answering. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for question answering tasks, which can be useful for chatbots and customer service applications. 7. Text completion. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for text completion tasks, which can be useful for predictive text input and other applications. It is important to note that the quality of the output depends on the quality of the data you use to fine-tune the model, the amount of fine-tuning, and the specific use case. ChatGPT's benefits for businesses. 1. Cost savings. Offering assistance and customer care using ChatGPT may be done very affordably. With ChatGPT, businesses can reduce the number of customer service representatives needed to handle customer inquiries, which can help to reduce overhead costs. 2. Enhanced efficiency. ChatGPT can assist organizations in providing prompt and effective customer service. With ChatGPT, businesses can quickly respond to customer inquiries without waiting for customer service representatives. 3. Better customer service. Compared to conventional conversational customer support approaches, ChatGPT can give clients a more customized experience. ChatGPT can help to provide customers with a more tailored response to their inquiries, which can help to improve customer satisfaction. 4. Increased engagement. ChatGPT can help to engage customers more interactively. Through ChatGPT, businesses can provide customers with a more engaging customer experience, which can help to improve customer loyalty. 5. Fast response times. ChatGPT is capable of responding quickly to incoming messages, making it well suited for real-time conversations. 6. Automated conversation. ChatGPT can autonomously generate conversation, reducing the need for manual intervention. 7. Natural language processing. ChatGPT is capable of understanding natural language and responding in a way that is meaningful to users. 8. Scalability. ChatGPT can be deployed in large-scale applications, making it ideal for enterprise-level applications. Examples of ways to utilize ChatGPT at the workplace. 1. Automated customer service. Use ChatGPT to create an automated customer service chatbot that can answer questions and provide customer service 24/7. 2. Automated reviews. Use ChatGPT to create a chatbot that can conduct interviews and ask questions to applicants. 3. Create a virtual assistant. Use ChatGPT to create a virtual assistant to help employees with tasks such as scheduling appointments, taking notes, and setting reminders. 4. Generate reports. Use ChatGPT to quickly generate reports based on data inputted into the system. 5. Answer frequently asked questions. Use ChatGPT to create an FAQ bot that can answer common questions asked by employees or customers. Limitation of ChatGPT. 1. ChatGPT lacks contextual understanding. ChatGPT is only able to generate responses based on the input given by the user. It is not able to understand the context of the conversation, making it difficult to have natural conversations. 2. ChatGPT requires a large amount of training data. ChatGPT requires a large amount of training data to generate accurate responses. If the training data is sparse, it might not be able to produce reliable replies. 3. ChatGPT is limited to short conversations. Because ChatGPT has a limited capability for processing extended chats, it can only handle brief talks. This makes it difficult to have extended conversations that require multiple turns. When ChatGPT succeeds and where it fails. ChatGPT is an artificially intelligent chatbot that communicates with people by utilizing machine learning and natural language processing. ChatGPT excels in providing intelligent and natural-sounding conversations. It can comprehend normal language and give genuine answers to inquiries. It may also be used in customer service to provide customers with the normal answers to their questions. However, ChatGPT falls short when it comes to understanding complex human emotions and conversational nuances. It is not capable of understanding subtlety or context, and cannot handle conversations that involve multiple topics. ChatGPT cannot also understand sarcasm or jokes, which are common features of human conversation. Additionally, ChatGPT is not able to provide personalized customer service, as it requires a large amount of data to work effectively.